down.
Introduce our brand new 2024 Stryker Pro. Now this model to date comes in the 420, which we're looking at here, and it also comes in a 470. So that's a 14-foot model and about a 15.5-foot model. Almost identical other than their length and their displacement and the room that you're gonna end up with inside of the boat. So in this particular model for the 420, we've paired it with the new Merc 25 Jet. The new Merc 25 Jet has just a touch less power than its predecessor, but it does have a reduced weight, which makes it easier for a portable type of situation like this package is going to offer you. We've been doing years and years of testing to come up with a solution to some of the common tunnel haul boat problems that have been plaguing the industry. So the first thing we did was a fully welded one-piece aluminum transom. So what this does is it just removes all the wood from the boat. And aluminum has the ability to be significantly stronger when designed correctly. This is gonna be just an absolute amazing package. We ran this boat yesterday in some super skinny stuff, and it was incredible. The fully welded one piece of, and when I mean one piece aluminum transom, what I'm referring to is that the transom holders and the transom itself that connect to the tube, this is all a single welded piece together. So there's not a discombobulated system of pieces, things that need extra reinforcement and protection. This one piece welded aluminum transom, it's super tough. It will never rot. We've been running these fully welded one-piece transoms on all of our LX, HD, and Pro models for the last 6 years, and they have been just incredible. We've had zero issues, and let's keep that going. So what we've also done is all of the material on these tubes, this is a super, super thick 1.8 millimeter material. So this is substantially thicker than anything else available on the market in this segment today. 0.6, 0.7, it's incredibly thin and in my opinion, extremely dangerous to be running on the water. Where a 1.8 with our bottom layer of Stryker shield, this is a super thick rubber protection that is attached to the entire hull of the boat. So it's the ultimate in protection between whatever you come in contact with in the water and yourselves inside of the vessel. So really excited about this product. We got a nice thick water redirecting rub strake around the sides. And then if you can see down the sides, we've added protection patches. So, you know, you're going through a canyon or you're coming up to some big rocks. So we've tried to give you areas to bounce off of that aren't gonna puncture your tube. So kind of all the exposed areas where you could come in contact with something, it is very well protected. Now, the one thing we often find customers are complaining about with other boats that they've had experience with in the past is that the removable or the top tubes can be nice in certain situations, but for 95% of people out on the water boating and fishing and trolling and using downriggers, these are just in the way. So we have made these fully removable. It's just some buckle system. You undo the buckles, the tubes come off. You don't ever need to run them unless perhaps you're going to be using the boat in a very skinny water situation, or you want the extra splash protection, but these are available for you. As well as we did an offset, so you are able to sit on the tube, rest your back against the top tube, and it's incredibly easy to use, very comfortable system that should serve you very, very well for many, many years to come. Coming inside the boat, we have heavy duty D-rings installed through in the boat. If you're not using your top tubes, or just if you'd like to use them, we do have oar holders that are inside the boat as well. So you can choose to store the oars in there. Also have the new EVA foam is on top of the seats, should you want to use the seats. I'd say most people will probably be pulling the seats right out, but they do come with the boat and they do serve a purpose for many people. So the seats are included. You can adjust them anywhere you like along the rail. Cool features. The other thing we have in here as well, guys, is we have it rained hard last night, so it has a drain that you can open from the inside. Now when that drain's open, the water will flow out through the back of the transom, which you can see there. Comes out of there, it sits nice and high, so you can really evacuate all that water out of the boat.